Hello everyone, I'm Anuradha Ghosh and I welcome you all to Poddar Media. Today I feel extremely happy to be sitting beside one of my students, one of our alumni from Poddar International College, Mr. Bhupendra Madhu.
Yeah.
Mr. Bhupendra is a full stack developer. He has some great experience in the field of IT, and today we were fortunate enough to have an interaction with him and with all the students around him. So Bhupendra, tell me, how did you feel to interact with students and what experience did you gain?
Yeah, it was my first event. It was a very great experience actually. I first time struck it very well, and I really hope those students gain something fruitful, and I wish them very best to their career.
So you said in the session that I was also present, and you said that once upon a time you were sitting, on that chair where they were sitting today,
Yes.
and today you are at the other side of the fence. So how did you feel, tell me?
I felt that it came up to a full circle from being a student, from learning from being a student to coming back as teaching and mentoring students those actually require guidance, and it was a very overwhelming experience for me, and I was very happy to find those students very interactive. They asked really great questions, what experienced person should have, and I really wish them very best for their career and future endeavors.
So you are at your alma mater, Poddar International College, and your journey has been here for 3 years in the BCA. So what did you actually learn here on ground? Tell us something about that.
The most important thing I learned here is to communicate. It was really great to communicate with the peers, those who were, especially with stakeholders of my career, of my future, especially with the teachers and mentor, especially with you, to unlock that potential and eventually leading to a very successful career.
Wonderful. So what is that final message that you would like to give all the aspirants there who are watching us today and who are part of that interactive session today? That final message that you would like to give to all of them, and what they should now do in their IT career?
The next big step they should take is to show up. That's it. Show up everywhere, get yourself aware, start interacting with people, start interacting with stakeholders, especially with those who are directly or indirectly related to your career. You might find it either overwhelming or somewhere depressing, but eventually you will get a reality check and you will move further in your prospected career.
So I hope that you all got your reality check today and you will prosper in your career with all the guidance that you have received from one of our best alumni here today. Thank you so much for being part of Poddar.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Poddar Group of Institutions